Dear students, this is Ravinder Gupta, your accounts teacher from Gurukul Academy, Palia Kalakhiri. Let's start today's topic.
The topic of the day is forfeiture of shares. This is the topic we have taken under issue of shares. The videos regarding issue of shares have been already posted for you. Definitely you would have seen those. So today I am continuing with forfeiture of shares. First of all, let's know about forfeiture of shares. Forfeiture of shares is a condition that comes when any shareholder fails to pay the amount due on allotment or any call within the specified period. In that case, the directors may cancel the shares of the shareholder, and the cancellation of shareholders' shares are in two cases. First, the entry on forfeiture of shares can be made of those shares which are forfeited of the shares which were issued at par, and the second, it may be of those shares which were issued at premium. So that depends on the question that which condition is given in that. So first of all, if we are preparing the entry for the forfeiture of those shares which were issued at par, the entry would be share capital account debit, 2 calls in arrears account, 2 share forfeiture account. In that, the share capital account which is debited here, it would be amounted with the number of shares forfeited into called up value per share, and the calls in arrears account would be credited with the amount not received on allotment or calls, and the share forfeiture account, that would be amounted with the received on application, allotment and calls. So that would be the first entry in case of issued shares at par are being forfeited. One example is also given there, so you can check it out properly to get proper information. Next condition comes when the forfeiture of shares which were issued at premium. So if the shares issued at premium, those are forfeited, the entry would be share capital account debit, security premium reserve account debit, calls in arrears account, and share forfeiture. These two would be credited. Means share capital account debit, security premium reserve account debit, 2 calls in arrears account, and 2 share forfeiture account. The 3 share capital, calls in arrears and share forfeiture would be amounted in the same way as it is informed at par. But the security premium reserve which is debited here, that would be with the amount not received on those forfeited shares regarding premium only. One example regarding that is also given here, so you can see it out properly. If you have any kind of confusion, you may discuss with me. Next, for the reissue of forfeiture shares, means if the shares are forfeited, they can be reissued also by the directors. It is depending on the directors that they want to reissue the shares or not, and the shares can be reissued at par, at premium, or at discount. So if the shares are issued at par means the face value whichever was that, so the entry would be in that case bank account debit to share capital account. Whole amount would be debited and credited in the same way. Next, if the forfeited shares are reissued at premium, in that case the entry would be bank account debit to share capital account to security premium reserve account. So security premium reserve is being credited here, and the amount which is devoted for the security premium, that would be shown in security premium reserve. Rest balance amount would be shown in share capital account, and the total of these two would be presented in bank account at debit side. Next, if the forfeited shares are reissued at discount, in that case the entry would be bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital account. Here, in place of premium, the discount has been represented, and the discount will be represented with share forfeiture account. Means in share forfeiture account, the amount discounted would be shown here. How much the amount would be discounted will be shown here. Balance would be shown in bank account. So these would be the entries for reissue of shares forfeited, which were forfeited at par, premium or discount. After the reissue of shares, one more entry is required if any balance left in forfeited shares, and the balance left in forfeited shares is called capital gain. That's why that is to be transferred to capital reserve account. So the entry for that would be share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account. Whichever the amount is left in share forfeiture account after reissue, that amount would be transferred to capital reserve. Hope that you would have got all the basic things about forfeiture of shares and its reissue also. Watch out all the previous videos, this one, and then after, if you have any kind of confusion, please discuss with me. Okay, bye, see you.